So it's about short-term note. Okay, so I'm just going through an example here, and then we're going to do it together. Assume your airlines borrowed 100,000 from Bank of Lo Siento on September 1st, 2023, signing a 6% 6-month note. So actually from this transaction, from this scenario or story, I can create several questions. So first, I probably would like to ask you, what is the maturity date of this note, right? Maturity date. So maturity date of this note. So it will be like, it starts from September 1st, 2023, and then the note is for 6 months. So it's September 1st plus 6 months. Then it will be, so the deadline would be 1st of March 2024. It's just like September 1st, 2023, and then plus 6 months, right? And then number two, I would like to ask you, what is the interest expense for 2023 that related to this note, right? So so for this, if I ask you this question, then the calculation would be, what is the interest expense by December 31st, 2023. So why December 31st, 2023? Because the note starts from September 1st, 2023, and then the maturity date is in another fiscal year, which is 2024. So we have to recognize the interest expense by the end of December 31st, 2023, because we want to close the accounting period or accounting year of 2023. So we have to recognize some expense related to this note. So in this situation, we have to calculate the interest expense for only 4 months, September 1st until December 31st, so only 4 months. So we have to calculate the interest expense for 4 months. So it would be principal, the principal of the note, multiply with the interest rate, and then you multiply with the fraction time, or time of fraction. Okay. And then the principal is 100,000. And then you multiply with the interest rate, which is 6%. And fraction time, it is 4 divided by 12. It is like, because you want to calculate the interest expense of 4 months from 12 months. And just want to remind you that whenever you see an interest expense in this situation is 6%. So this 6% of interest rate, this 6% of interest rate would be for 1 year. It's always for 1 year. So you have to convert the 6% of 1 year to be the percentage for 4 months only. So if you do the calculation, if you do the mathematics for this number, then would be, let me find my calculator first. It will be 2,000, right? 2,000. So if I ask you, please make the journal entries for this interest expense, then you have to record interest expense 2,000 and interest payable 2,000. Why interest payable? Why not cash on credit side? Because you not yet pay the interest. You will pay the interest later at the end of the maturity date, right? But by the end of December 2023, it is just payable. So you just credit interest payable and debit interest expense. So that's all for this question.